Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carrie and this is Clean Eating Kitchen, where I share easy, gluten-free and dairy-free recipes. And we're getting really close to the holiday season. I'm not dressed up at all today, but I wanted to share one of my favorite holiday cookie recipes because it's so good. I make it almost every year. It's actually a no-bake cookie. You're gonna not believe how easy it is. And it is gluten-free and dairy-free, and it's vegan too. And I usually end up taking it to a work potluck or to friends' houses or holiday parties, and they always disappear and everybody always asks me for the recipe. So I'm gonna share it with you today. The ingredients are really simple. We'll start with a cup of pitted medjool dates, about half a cup of hemp seeds, a cup of pumpkin seeds, some shredded dried unsweetened coconut, organic peppermint extract, and coconut oil, and then some cocoa powder or carrot powder. And these ingredients are all super healthy and easy to find. And then we're just going to combine them all in the food processor, starting with the pumpkin seeds. Next, we will add the hemp seeds, which is one of my favorite products. I use hemp seeds in all kinds of ways, and they're perfect in this cookie recipe. And then the dates are a great sweetener, and they also help bind the pumpkin seeds and the hemp seeds together, and they're just a really great sweetener. Now, coconut oil, we don't need too much, but I really like to use a little bit because it helps add moisture, and it also helps bind the cookie together. And then we'll add the cocoa powder or carrot powder. You can use either one. Some people have a sensitivity to cocoa, and so carrot powder can be a good alternative. And then the peppermint extract. And I don't use peppermint oil, I use the extract. And I will link to the full printable recipe in the description below. And I've linked to some of the ingredients in my blog post. So then you just combine all the ingredients together and then pour out the batter into a bowl, so then we can use our hands to make the cookies. And you just grab about just a really small handful, and we're going to roll the batter into balls about 1 inch in width. I don't like to make them too big, but I think this small bite size is it's really just perfect. And you'll make about 20 to 22 balls. And then what we do is we just roll each of the balls into the dried coconut, and it gives it that yummy, crunchy, exterior coating, and it's just so perfect. I really hope that you love this recipe. It's one of my favorites. I hope you agree that that was such an easy recipe. It does take a little time to hand roll out the cookies and then roll them in coconut, but I feel like the coconut looks like little bits of snow, and it just tastes so great with that chocolate peppermint flavor. I'm just gonna take a little bite. And don't skip the coconut because it adds a little bit of crunch to the cookie. And as you chill them in the refrigerator, they will firm up and they will get even sweeter. So if I don't see you again before the end of the holiday season, I wish you and your family the very best, and I look forward to seeing you in the new year. Happy holidays, everybody. Bye.